Welcome to our channel. If you want to lower cholesterol naturally and protect your cardiovascular health, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Adopt a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes while limiting saturated and trans fats. Step 2. Include foods high in soluble fiber like oats, barley, beans, and apples, which help reduce LDL cholesterol absorption. Step 3. Add healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, which can improve cholesterol levels. Step 4. Exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week with aerobic activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Step 5. Lose excess weight if overweight, as losing even 5 to 10% of body weight can significantly improve cholesterol levels. Step 6. Quit smoking if you smoke, as quitting can improve your HDL cholesterol level and benefit your heart in numerous ways. Step 7. Limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels, as excessive drinking can raise cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Step 8. Work with your healthcare provider to monitor cholesterol levels regularly and discuss statin medications if lifestyle changes aren't sufficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.